So the Injective chart has, like many other charts, shown us a sharp decline on the 10th of October. It's absolutely possible that we formed a low of sorts here. And there's still a lot of room. I mean, here on the Binance chart, that low formed at 276. We're now at 590. If we find support here, and we'll take a look at the micro chart as well, if we find support here, the price could start a larger bounce in a B wave, and it would take us higher probably as an A, B, C structure in a B wave. From there, then we can still go lower. If we see a 5-wave move up, it might even be part of that C wave, but there's a lot of work to be done. First indication that a low has formed. We can see that on the smaller time frame. We go to the Injective 4-hour time frame. Yeah, first indication that at least a local low has formed, I'd say would be a break above Fibonacci resistance. More reliable would be a break above the first signal line here at $10.13. So what we have here, obviously on 10th of October, flash crash, decent recovery, but then not really, Injective was not able to break above the swing high from the 10th of October where the selling volume came in. So downside pressure still dominant, okay? So we need a break above 1250, essentially. This is where the selling volume came in. In the very short term, though, I mean, we saw a 3-wave move down, and the price reacted here to Fib support, but there's nothing, clearly bullish. I mean, there's some Fib levels we can talk about, 531 to 370. The risk is that the move up now is only an A, B, C structure. First resistance area is between 726 and 939. So once we get there, we will have to monitor this area closely for a possible reaction. If there is a 5-wave decline from that area, it might be the beginning of the C wave to the downside, okay? Then it would morph into a larger A, B, C structure. That can always happen, especially if the initial decline isn't so deep. Don't get me wrong, this was a deep decline, but it reached the 50% retracement. This could simply be the A wave in yellow. Breaking above resistance opens the door to a breakout. That would be the first signal. That's why we need a break above 939 for a first indication that a low has formed. And then obviously these swing highs that I already mentioned. But yeah, nothing really that's convincing at this point. So short term, maybe a larger bounce is possible, but there is a lot of work needed to confirm a breakout or a larger recovery.